at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles, or what I do with my instant noodles, and what you will do with your instant noodles unless you... I don't know. But today... we got this. We got a Paldo Stirfried Kimchi variety. And, ladies and gentlemen, we have this guy here. This is... Miles, king of all children. How you doing?
I won on my tablet, so I won.
You won?
Yes.
Here, let me see. High five. How you doing?
Doing good.
Are you 7 years old?
Yes.
How's it feel?
It's feeling good.
Yeah.
Can I say hi to the nice people?
Go right ahead. They're watching you right now. You are the star of the show. They're looking at you. You don't have to move over this way. Stand right there.
Hi, nice people.
What do you want to tell them?
What?
Do you want to tell them anything?
Yes.
Or what do you want to tell them?
To play airport.
To play airport?
Yes.
I don't think they can do that. They are in the future. They are in the future right now. Yeah.
They are in the future?
Yeah, they're in, I believe they might be in the year 2023 at this point. I am really not sure.
2023?
Yeah. Right now it's 2022, and it will be 2023 coming up pretty quick.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, go on about your day. Keep on enjoying yourself.
I'll see you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye. Yeah, stir-fried kimchi. I had this back, in 2011 in like April. Oh, and who do we have here? Who are you? How you doing, me? So is there anything you'd like to tell the nice people? Are you standing on one foot? You were. Well, what do you want to tell them? Tell them something. Oh, she's gone. Oh, she's got a bag full of My Little Pony gear. Look at that. Wow. You guys been playing with those things this morning? Yeah. When's your birthday? You don't... Come on. You're a kid. You should know those things. Mimi doesn't care about certain things that have to do with like specific numbers. She just likes to run around and giggle all day. You do. Your birthday is December 17th. Mark that on your calendars. Start saving now for gifts.
Look.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, that's cool tricks. And he's standing on one foot because she's awesome. Yeah. Your superpowers. Okay, go. I gotta cook. I'm gonna boil this pot dry. And we don't want to do that. Uh-oh. So in the interim, while Mimi was talking to us, Miles has done something absolutely horrible, according to the sound that she just made. Noodle block. Ooh, and noodle. Hot boiled water. Ooh, okay, boil. Okay. Turn it down a little bit. So we got 2 sachets. We have a powder, or as the French say, poudre, or as Kermit the Frog says, powder, and as Ernie from Ernie and Bert says, powder. Yeah. I don't know, is that creepy? I don't know. Now, we've got this sachet of kimchi, and it says throw everything in, although I think this would do better if it just like sat on top, and then you could like do it as a straight on top garnish, but I'm gonna do what they tell me to do. This is when, like for stuff like this is when I start getting messages from people like, that's not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to follow the directions, you're supposed to do it this way. It's like... It's wonderful that you have a preferred preparation method, but unfortunately, I can't follow that. And who's to say that I would enjoy that better than the way that they're actually telling me to create this product in a bowl? Yeah, I had a guy just like flip out on me. She started out with, I think I mentioned it the other day. He started out with, "Now I hope you don't take this as a negative thing and I hope you learn from it." I'm like, and then he immediately just goes into assaulting my character and that I don't know anything that I'm doing and blah blah blah. It's like, okie dokie, go ahead. It's YouTube. I really don't care. I flick away a lot of flies, I gotta admit. But yeah, I'm excited, man. It's a beautiful sunny day. Unfortunately, it's super humid outside, so that's no fun. But what is really exciting is that pretty soon I'm gonna be able to go out walking all over the place, build it up. But yeah, like last week I did, what was it? I think I did like 26,000 steps in 5 days. And then in the next 2 days, I did like 40 or 50,000. So it's no, not that many. More like 36 to 40,000. I used to be able to. I've had many days in my life that I've walked like 20 miles a day, and I think I'm gonna slowly ramp back up to that. Yeah. I honestly feel like I totally let myself go after COVID. So my mom died, then I got COVID a bit later, and my wife hadn't been feeling good and all this, and I learned how to bake bread and make pizza, and yeah. So, going to get super hardcore disciplined, and yeah. My old thing that I would say is like, oh, why would you delay going on a diet or exercise regime? Don't set a date for it. Just start now. If you're that motivated to do it, just start right away. I agree with you, old talking me. Unfortunately, that's how you got started, old talking me. Once my son started going to school, I started taking my daughter out in the stroller, and that was in 2018. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I know that works. That's what I'm going to start doing. And pretty quick after that, she'll still fit in it. So I'll take her out for a week, cruise around in that thing. And then when she starts school, I'll just be going solo. But what I want to be able to do is walk from here, do this Sammamish River Trail loop that goes around right when you get into Bothell. Get back on the Burt Gumlin Trail, walk all the way down to North Seattle, turn around, and come back, which is about 15 miles. And I want to do that every freaking day. That's a slog, but it's nice. And the weather's going to get nice and cool, and it'll be just primo. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. It seems like a good plan. What is that, feet? You have blisters on the ends of the toes? I know, that sucks too. But we'll see how it goes. 3, 2, 1. All right. We have a hot, boiling pot of Korean kimchi noodle here. Why does it say United States ramen right? I'm like, well, this is an export version. This is not the way you would get it if you were in South Korea. It would look totally different. Might have the same picture of noodles on it. Might be actually this almost the identical same product. But the thing is, you gotta like get rid of stuff for export, especially meat extracts and broths. And this could be a completely different animal in South Korea. So if I ever get one of the South Korean versions, the local version, it could be completely different, and it requires a different review. Hence, this is United States. I battle with this crap all the time in my head. Mmm. My glasses are steaming up, and boy, that's hot. Wow. That's tasty. That is. Looks like a hot dog. It's a taste sensation. If you have small kids, you should check out Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. My kids love that stuff. It's nice. The old review of this has a picture. I put like 2 fried eggs in it. I used to think everything was better with fried eggs, pickled ginger, and what else? I like lunch meat. Well, I didn't know what to do. And along the way I learned, and I learned, and I learned. That's my favorite part about this. I like the learning. Ramen Academy. Instant Noodle Academy. But still, my credo is my favorite instant noodle is the one I have not tried yet. And that's like absolute truth right there. Because that's my favorite part. I like to try new things. I'm not trying skydiving, but I like to try different instant noodle varieties. We've got some beef. And here's the beef. Don't eat the beef. Normally, I would probably also enamor this with some like a uncooked egg yolk right on top. Unfortunately, I only have 2 eggs left, and I don't know what I'm going to need those for. I used the other 2 to make gluten-free pizza last night. My wife liked it. It was really a pain in the butt, though. God. It was this Bob's Red Mill gluten-free pizza mix. But God, what did it say on it? Isn't it really something magical when you get to have a fresh pizza? It's like, oh God. Come on, Bob. Oh man, it really wants to play this song over and over. Whoa! Oh, this is the. Come on. What we got here? God, I've got like. Okay, we got some this crap. All right, Paldo stir-fried kimchi noodles. Well, hey, this has been On's the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And, yeah. There'll be more coming up. I did 5 unboxings yesterday, so I've got more varieties. Yeah, I should be able to make it to just after 4,400. And in the early 1600 episodes of this show. That's a lot of episodes. It would take 4 years straight to do that, and you still wouldn't hit it. Wait, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. Anyways, enjoy. Bye-bye.